Alright, YouTube. This is what I got done. Broken up piece of plastic. Turned out pretty good. I got a whole tube of that plastic. $40 just to fix that little piece of plastic. $10 from the junkyard. If y'all had that piece, I ain't gonna need it because I'll never see this vehicle again. This is what we got over here. Remember that rust hole? Got a lip on it. Get your wheel trim around there. There you have it, folks. What you can do in a little couple hours. Then you got a rust-free vehicle. Ain't no rust nowhere else on this truck. Normally the bottom of the rockers and doors on these, but this thing's pretty clean. I have to put a link in where you can get these at one day. Well, there you have it, YouTube. I'll be back at you another time. See you now. Appreciate you.